The best thing about VIA is they actually hear you. Hi, my name is Stephen.
Myself Rashmi.
So we have bought our new house in Prestige Lake Ridge. It's a 2 BHK house. We went with VIA for interiors. I was recommended by my friend Anish to VIA. I saw the work that VIA has done to their house. It's absolutely nice. So I decided to go with VIA. I approached Anup Dahab and they in turn directed us to Bhaskar, who was the designer. The design has really come out well. It exceeded our expectation right from the design phase until the execution phase. So we went with a mind said that okay, we just want this, and they heard us. So they understood our requirement very well, and they took about 15 to 20 days to complete the design.
I love my loom. Actually, they do nice. Actually, my favorite is bed and my bookshelf and my study table and wardrobe. They nice do, and thank you, VIA.
After the design phase, they started the execution on site. They gave us the timeline about 60 days, but they finished the work well within 40-45 days. We visited site here and there rarely, and whatever doubts we had, whatever questions we had, VIA was just a phone call away. I used to call Dahab, Anup, they were just Bhaskar as well, so they were just a phone call away. They answered all our queries, even in their busy schedule. They answered all our queries, and we were happy with them. So the quality which they have put, they have not compromised in quality, let me say like that, because I have checked each and every wood which they have used. It is good standards.
Thank you for Via. The design was made by Bhaskar. We liked very much. They are very patient to listen us, and whatever we wanted, they carefully listened and done. Our bar unit also very goodly came. Kitchen unit also very nicely done.
Like I was telling earlier about the quality and about the work, right? So this unit that you can see here, it comprises of the shoe stand plus the bar unit. Now I had only told them that I needed a bar unit and I needed a shoe stand, but they very well executed the design. If you see, this is one unit, and they have also saved space. So when we open the door, it doesn't obstruct anything to come in. And the finishing that if you can see the finishing of this, you see the edges which they have done, so it is very fine. So that is why I like the work. Which regarding the TV unit, again, so like everyone says, we also told them that we need to have a TV unit. So I didn't have any idea about like what material to use or anything. So I said, I guess stone cladding will be good. But that is when we are recommended, okay, the stone cladding is kind of like old style. You need to go for a stone veneer. So I didn't know absolutely what is stone veneer. So they did the design, and you can see it actually gives you a complete different look. So whoever comes to our house, they come and they like, okay, they touch the TV unit and they ask, okay, what is this? Is it like stone kind of thing? So yeah, so it is stone veneer, and the way it has come out, it is actually it's absolutely nice.
With the TV unit, we have done the puja unit because we not had any options to do, because bar unit is there and that wall is near to the bathroom. So we plan to keep our puja unit is on the TV wall mounted.
Puja unit near to the bathroom wall. So we had only this option, but we didn't want to obstacle the we didn't want the TV unit to obstruct the puja unit. So that's why they have put this ledge, and upon that we have kept the puja unit. So which regarding the kitchen unit, if you see this idea of the keeping open spices, we didn't have that idea, right? So Bhaskar, our designer, had actually designed it in a very well manner. So normally what you require is, for cooking, you always use these items very often. Correct. Operate. Right. Finally, I would like to thank Dahab, Anup, Bhaskar, Shivu, the entire team of VIA, who have really done the interiors well. Right from the beginning until end, the entire journey was smooth, no hiccups anywhere. So whenever we had any query, they were right a phone call away. So I definitely recommend VIA for your home interiors, because from the quality perspective until the execution, the time duration, it is peace of mind. So definitely I recommend VIA. Thank you, VIA.
Thank you, Via.